Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video. And in this video I am going to share with you a new VPN app that will help you get a secure connection when browsing online. This app will also enhance your internet connectivity. And it is already available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you are new here, I recommend you to subscribe, like, share, and comment if something is not clear, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let us get started. Open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type VIP Snipher Pro. This VPN will help you get a fast and secure internet connection. From the results, take note of the app name and its icon. Then tap on it. Install the VPN on your device. After installation, tap Open. When you open the app, you'll need to do some simple settings so it can work properly. On the home screen, tap the three lines at the top. From the menu, choose Online Update. This updates the app's resources, so you always get the best service. Next, choose a server. Tap the server box, and you can pick one in your location. But for this video, I recommend leaving it on auto select, so the app automatically chooses the best server for you. After that, select your country network name. Tap the box, and in the search bar type UDP. Since this video is about UDP, select UDP network because it supports all countries. If UDP does not work in your country, choose another option that works best. In case you run out of time while using the VPN, extend it by tapping the Add Time button. This allows you to continue browsing securely. Finally, to start your secure connection, tap the Start button. As you can see, it has connected successfully. Now you have a fast and secure connection using VIP Snipher Pro. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Let us meet in another video. Thank you.